My kids are excited because we have 90 subscribers and we're almost to 100. They're like, when we get to 100 subscribers, we can have ice cream. I was like, whoever said you could have ice cream at 100 subscribers? I mean, but you know what? Sure, I'll buy them ice cream when we get 100 subscribers. So it's up to you if my kids get ice cream or not. So it's not my fault, it's your fault for not subscribing to the Kilby Life. Shameless.
We're gonna do some fishing. All you have to do is just follow me. We'll try to fish. And if we get one, great. If we don't get one, that'll be a bummer. Because Mom calls everything a bummer, so I learned that from her.
You guys ready to go fishing?
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
Is that stuff too heavy?
No. This is, to me, by the way, it's a neat idea. Crawfish are different. They're team. I need someone to hold this. We're back.
Well, I have you holding stuff for me. Everybody, it's Aaron from the Kilby Life, bringing you another Kilby Life adventure. It's me and the 4 boys. We're gonna be doing some crappie fishing today. Hopefully we'll catch something. So it's a 76-degree day, no humidity. It's perfect out here. So yeah, hopefully we get them. And if not, we got a really nice view. Yeah, let's do this. Whoa.
Bluegills! Is it a bass? No, bluegill.
Got him.
Can I pull it in? Wait, can I see it? Is that a bass? Bluegill. Can I pull it? Can I touch it? Can I touch it? No.
You got yourself a little girlfriend.
Nice. Later, buddy. I want to
Nice.
rambled.
Who's up next?
Me!
You get it, dude?
Yeah, I got it. What if we leave it and Isaac all caught the same exact fish? We did. Isaac did?
Ooh.
Nice and cool. We all caught the bluegill. It ate like half of it. The worm. Oh,
Nice.
see the fish. See that bad boy right there. And then we're gonna see Isaac's face.
What is it? It's a bad boy?
Yeah, it's a big bad boy. Do you know why I caught it bad?
Why?
Because it ate the worm. It's a bad boy. But the worm's still alive. Big bad.
All right.
Actually,
See if we can get off the hook.
Woo!
Did you know that when you caught that little bluegill, there was a giant bass right next to you? Your line?
Wait, what?
There was a... Reel it. Oh, okay.
Oh! Oh, guys, I got a fish. Hey, guys. I get 20. Nice.
Good
I'm not a ladder.
Are you jealous?
Tim, good job.
What are you going to name him or her?
Buttsy.
Oh, come on. You guys always do this to me.
Oh, Timmy, I found a new base. See you later, buddy.
I got one and I'm trying to reel it and to film at the same time. Can you film me with this?
Yes, I can. It's heavy.
Point it at me.
This is gonna be good.
You guys, I got one. It's bigger.
How big is it?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Did you get a big bass?
Oh yeah, I got a bass.
Oh yeah. He got a bass. Oh yep, he did. Oh! Whoa. Are we keeping that? Two bass.
This is on the pole that you guys just caught all those bluegill with.
Last bowl.
Here, just hold on a second.
Bass! We got a
Oh.
bass.
Hold on a second.
For the bass. Oh. Oh.
Bam.
Good job.
You see it?
Woo!
All right, look at that.
Points. We got 15. I got one.
I'll give it a kiss. Mwah. All right. See you later, buddy. Levi's out there with the Levi cam casting by himself and learning how to set the hooks, which is awesome because then I don't have to do it. But yeah, every time I come out fishing, it's like, you know, it's a hard thing to like not want to. It's like I want to do it all myself essentially because it makes it easier. There's less mistakes, but if I don't teach them how to do it, they'll never know how to do it themselves. The problem is most of the time when I'm trying to teach them how to do it, they're not paying attention to what I'm saying. Like I take the time to teach them, but they're like, I don't have any idea what you're talking about. So that's always the struggle when fishing. So, and it's funny because they're like, I want to fish, my turn's next. I want to fish, my turn's next. And then everyone disappears and then I catch big old bass. And our intention was to go crappie fishing and we've got 0 crappie. But I've actually never fished out here before, so there's tons of bluegill. Tons of them. Not very, I haven't caught any big ones though.
As far as you just need to catch a fish. That's it? Okay. See, bite, you run in the slag, go underwater, you reel it up after it bites. Reel up the slag. Oh man! Something's wrong. Drag probably. It won't reel anymore. Pulling. Something's pulling.
Yeah, because there's a fish on it, man.
Got a fish.
Oh, cool. I just got a fish.
See you later, buddy.
Oh, yeah, your drag got turned.
It's heavy.
Let me fix the drag.
Or the drag got turned. Yeah. Half of that. Okay.
So I've got to go new ones. Oh, you got it. Just jump off. Oh, this is crazy. Isaac's touching the minnow. Okay, that's enough touching.
I'm gonna cast this out. Then you can change it if you want to.
How do you learn how to cast it?
I already know how to cast it.
Oh, someone messed with
Says the beginning of time. Release the slag.
Oh, dude.
Nice! Nice job! Can I touch it? You got a big job there. I'm gonna touch it.
No, don't touch it. Boom!
Fishing master, huh? Here,
Can I try to get it off?
I got it.
Wow.
Watch that hook.
Okay.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
my turn.
Here's my new fish.
It's my turn now.
Okay. Three. See this word thing. Know the words. See you later, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. See you later, buddy.
When I was a kid, like I was so impatient when it came to fishing. I was always just running around, getting into stuff like my kids are. They're in the woods, and then I'd come back typically to my great-grandfather and be like, I want to fish. Why aren't I catching any fish? It's because you're not even doing anything. You're just off somewhere else playing, you know. And it's like, it almost seems like one of the hardest things for young kids to sit still and just wait to catch a fish.
I'm catching fish.
You're catching fish? No, you're sitting and waiting to catch a fish.
Yes,
It's taken forever. See exactly what I'm talking about.
Like when I took wait the hour.
Waiting for an hour. Oh my goodness.
No, 3 hours.
3 hours? Well, me and your mom waited over 9 months for you to make your way onto this earth. So 1 hour is not that long of a time. But it's funny because now that I'm older, it's opposite. Like, part of me is like, I don't even want to catch a fish because it's too much work. Yeah, I want to just sit and relax and enjoy the nice day. Oh, you're getting a bite, man. You got it? No? Setting the hook is an art. Yeah, setting the hook is an art, especially when you get like these, you get these little tiny bluegill that'll just bite your line over and over and over and never swallow it. It's like, you can go through a lot of worms really fast. There's a fish on, there's a fish on that line. Over here, this fishing pole over here.
Where?
Right there. Yeah. No, turn around. Hold it the right way. Hold it up and reel. Well, no, you don't have to go too fast.
Woo! Timmy,
Woo.
from 1 to 2.
We caught it. Bam.
Timmy, you're
So Tim was here, so we caught the fish.
Can I, wait, before I do.
Give it a kiss.
Caught something.
Give it a kiss and throw it in.
Look.
I know, it's awesome.
I caught something,
Yeah.
a giant seaweed.
Give it a kiss and throw it in. See you later, buddy.
Dad caught something.
Another big bass.
Another huge bass. Oh, I see it. Oh. Got replaced with seaweed. Oh, then that was the mouth.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I think move your head.
Okay. Yes.
Oh yeah.
We got 2 points.
Woo! It's way bigger than on camera.
It's
right
awesome.
Here. It's like bigger than Dad's head.
Yeah, watch the camera so.
Oh, look. Slimy. So slimy.
Yeah.
And
Jacob.
Jake, he got another huge bass.
Sure did.
Oh, look.
Oh, by the way, the cameraman's Levi. He's filming.
Yeah. Let's see it. Hold on. In the sun. I can't tell. You see it?
Oh, I see the red stuff inside of it. Also, I see inside of it. I see its bones.
You don't see inside of it.
Its gills.
You see its gills? Yeah.
Can I look inside his mouth?
I see.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go for it.
This is the big one that was just sitting
Go
right
for
there.
it. Go for it.
All right. It's okay.
Ready, set,
Hey. Mwah. See you later, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Let me see.
Hey. Well, it looks like we're about out of bait, so we're gonna get ready to leave here. We didn't get skunked. That's nice. Got a couple bass and those crappie. So I just want to thank everyone for coming out, watching these. I want to thank everyone for watching these videos. Kilby out. What was that?
What did the snowman say to the sand?
What did the snowman say to the sand?
Yeah.
I'm freezing.
No, I'm melting.
I'm melting. He said, what did the snowman say to the sand? I'm melting.
That's a good joke.
Yeah, that's a
Well, I'm
good
gonna tell you
joke.
another one.
Okay.
What do you call a dinosaur that's sleeping?
Dinosaur that's sleeping. Tired?
No, a dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Someone's legitimately happy about their dad jokes.